Took me around 5 months on top of the 3 months. So in total, 8 months, till I achieved $5,000 a month in profit. Dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. My knowledge, what I've learned can help thousands of people. So we decided to create a course that will be up to date, that will help people solve the problems that happen today. Today, it's harder to create Amazon, eBay account and Amazon account. We address this problem. You need to know how to run multiple accounts to address this problem. You need to know how to get started with new account without to get suspended. We address this problem. And on top of this, we added, of course, all the product research training, all the customer service training, and all the things people need to know in order to maintain, run, and grow eBay business. Once you know all these things, you are part of just maybe 10% of the industry. 90% of the industry don't have this information. And this gives you a big opportunity.
Hello, Nahar. Are you hearing me?
Yep, I'm hearing you very well and seeing you very well. How are you today, Vitan?
I'm just feeling great. Thanks that you allow me to speak with you because I'm excited. I just finished watching your course. You pronounced new course a few weeks ago. Can you tell me a little bit more for yourself? Because I will translate this in Bulgarian. I want all my community here to understand more about the dropshipping in eBay, about Amazon.
So I'm Nahar Geva, the CEO and founder of Zik Analytics. I haven't born the CEO and founder of Zik Analytics. I started with my eBay dropshipping journey back in 2016. When I got started, there was no automation tools, there was no product research software, everything was done manually. At the time, dropshipping from Amazon to eBay was the main focus. And what people did, what sellers did, at least in my community back then, when I got started, was to go to Amazon bestsellers, copy all the bestsellers on Amazon, and then list them to eBay. The performance of the sellers that I knew was not so good. I came with a background of business. I sold goods, jewelries, fashion, paintings, and different things. And when I came with this experience, I knew that there is two things which are crucial for any business who sell goods, and it is demand and supply. So I started to analyze eBay myself, started to list products. The first 3 months was very hard. I barely sold few items, but then eventually I had the luck and a guy that I met in the community sent me one product example and told me to list it. I list this product to my store. 5 hours later, I hear the first cha-ching, the first sale. I was looking into the product and I got more sales from this product. And while I was looking into the product, trying to understand why this product sold, I went to Amazon to order it 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time. And when I came in the 4th time, I could not order this product anymore. Why? There was limit order on Amazon. This is when everything clicked in my mind, because I understand how the demand and supply work on eBay as well, like it works in any other place. What happened was, because there was limit supply, limit order on Amazon, this created more demand than supply. More people wanted to buy than people can sell, because sellers, dropshippers were limited. So once I realized it, I set myself a goal to learn how to check this demand and supply metrics for every product. So I was literally copy the title of the product from eBay, search it again inside eBay with the right settings, everything manually, till I learn and I see, okay, how many people sell the same product and how many times they sold the product. All the work done manually. Since this moment when I developed this method, took me around 5 months on top of the 3 months. So in total, 8 months till I achieved $5,000 a month in profit, dropshipping from Amazon to eBay with only 1,000 products in my store at the time. At the time, this was very little because people would only list in bulk, but the performance and the profit were amazing. And this is where I started to think, okay, maybe I figure out and find some method that work well. So before I went out and publicly teach people, I decided to take a friend and help him. So I made him lessons for free on Skype, couple of lessons, and in 1 month, he started to generate the same results like me. This is when I realized my knowledge, what I've learned, can help thousands of people. So I reached a big big Facebook group in Israel at the time that had a big eBay dropshipping community, and I told to the owner that I want to make a webinar, teach people my method. While I was working on the webinar, while I was working on the PowerPoint, I thought to myself, what if there was a software that can automate the process? Now I do the research manually, I know the formulas, I know what I need to do manually, it just takes a lot of time. Now instead of finding 20 products per day, I can only find 5 because I do everything manually. And I started to look for developers who can join me, join my idea and help me build the software that will help people find winning products. And I had the luck to come across my partner, Harris. I introduced him the idea, he loved it, and we just start work on the idea. We came up with the name Zik Analytics, which is, by the way, Zik is the nickname of my sister. And we launched Zik Analytics in the beginning, in January 2017. Since then, we help over 100,000 eBay sellers. We have over 5,000 paid subscribers today. Sellers from all around the world, from Bulgaria, from Israel, from Germany, from US, from UK, from France, from Greece, from everywhere basically. Lots of them drop shippers, some sell their own stock, some doing retail arbitrage in the United States. But because I was, and I'm still a drop shipper, all the software built in a way that fits very much for drop shippers. So it's very easy to find products, to move from competitors to niches, to products, to optimize your titles. I made everything for my own use, and this is what makes Zik such a easy to use and such a great user interface and user experience. And here we are today, 2022. Lots of things happen. Vitan, you are also in the industry for a long time. I think we started in the same time. Maybe you even started before me, but since I remember myself, since I remember Zik, I remember you active in the Bulgarian community. So a lot of things change. Suppliers, there was the period of Amazon, AliExpress, and then again Amazon and Walmart, and account getting shut down, and then account works again. So yeah, there is a lot to talk about. This was a short introduction about myself. And Vitan, I guess you have more questions to me, so I'll move the mic back to you.
I'm actually having a lot of questions to you. We'll try to be short today. I know that you are very busy. Thank you very much about this great introduction. Just we also start a software, maybe at the same time that you start with a Zik, but we stopped supporting the software because of big competition, and now most of my students in Bulgaria use Zik Analytics to research products for eBay. This is the best software that I ever used, and you constantly improve the software.
Thank you so
and
much.
This is the reason that I trust and all my students trust you. So I have a question about the course. You create a very, very new course with all additional information, all the changes in eBay. I was maybe one of the first students in this course. I just brought it at the day that you share it. Can you tell me a little bit more about the course?
Of course. So as you know, our main focus is Zik Analytics. We are not here to build an academy and sell thousands of courses. But what happened was that, the time passed, as I say, it's 2022, and we realized that a lot of mentors, a lot of education programs that were being created in the last years, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, even 4 and 5 years ago, are not updated enough. And then we looked on our user base, and mainly the dropshippers, and we saw that there is a big gap between what's happening today in eBay and how sellers deal with it. So our main goal in mind is always help our community, help eBay sellers and dropshippers in general. And because we recognize this gap and we have the resources, I myself still selling on eBay, we have a seller team within Zik Analytics with 5 sellers from every different suppliers and niche who are working in Zik, providing content, providing knowledge. So we decided to create a course that will be up to date, that will help people solve the problems that happen today. Today, it's harder to create eBay account and Amazon account. We address this problem. You need to know how to run multiple accounts. We address this problem. You need to know how to get started with new account without to get suspended. We address this problem. And on top of this, we added, of course, all the product research training, all the customer service training, and all the things people need to know in order to maintain, run, and grow eBay business. And it's the newest course in the market. If someone wants to learn about eBay today, there is no other option. And we are selling it for a very low price. Currently it's $50. The full price is $200. Currently it's for $50. We're probably going to keep it like this for a couple more weeks. But again, we are not looking to get rich from selling courses. We just want to provide the data, to provide the content, the knowledge, so people can build a sustainable business, learn how to deal with today's problems and scale their business.
Actually, I was discussing this with you a few days ago, but I want to share this in public. We speak with you about to translate your course in Bulgarian and to adapt it because we are not able to add Pioneer accounts in eBay. So we have other options. Also, I can create a little bit more content, but I will use basis of your course just cause the information there is pretty new, and some of the things are never explained in my videos. So I think that it will be very useful for my students also in Bulgaria, because a lot of people in Bulgaria don't know good English, and this is the reason that if I translate it and they start using Zik Analytics, this will help them to start generating some sales in eBay, and also they will start learning English. I think that English is not so hard on the level to just to use it for the dropshipping. So I'm happy that I can help to my community using your basis, your course, your videos, and your tools. What you will tell me about the dropshipping in eBay? I see in the course that you're still using Pioneer. Is there have any changes in your location about, are they asking you for VAT number or some restrictions?
Yeah, good question. So first of all, the course right now is mainly on ebay.com. There is no training about eBay UK there. So connecting a Pioneer in ebay.com, it works, it's different, it's easier. There is also other options. There are things like TransferWise and many other options, which is solvable. But yeah, when we will do the cooperation and you will record the course, we will make this course together, you will add all these things that solve the problem specifically for people from Bulgaria. Generally about eBay dropshipping, I believe, and I see in result, it's still a jewel, it's still an opportunity. It's actually easier to succeed today than before. The competition now is much lower. There is less people dropshipping. On the other hand, there is less people with the right knowledge. So as I said before, why we created the course, because we want to close the gap. This gap of people that lacking in knowledge, it's an opportunity for people that have the knowledge. And it's opportunity because you can find more products, you know how to overcome suspensions and issues, you know how to scale your business with more stores. Once you know all these things, okay, you are part of just maybe 10% of the industry. 90% of the industry don't have this information. And this gives you a big opportunity. On the other side, the demand is still there. Working with suppliers like Amazon or AliExpress or Home Depot or Walmart, still profitable. There are also new suppliers introduced, more smaller suppliers which generating profit. And I just think that I still don't see in the whole internet space, I still don't see easier way to generate income than eBay drop. There is no easier way. Everything else you need to put investment, you need to drive traffic, you need to build websites, you need to wait a lot of times. eBay dropshipping is literally from the moment you open your store, within 1 to 2 months, you can already generate profit.
Yeah, and just the customers are there and you don't need to do any investment, because we sell very well in Amazon FBA. But I must invest a lot of time and money to research and to send some items in stock. So when we start with eBay, we can start generating sales from today. After maybe 2 or 3 days, we will see the first results. So it's the best option for new dropshippers. When I say it new, what's the new futures in Zik Analytics? What we can expect in future?
So first of all, we had a huge upgrade. We have a new CTO in the company. I haven't announced it publicly, but from the end of 2021, we had a new CTO joining, powerful person, very dedicated. He is still and was also a dropshipper and eBay seller. So this brings a lot of value because he knows what the users need, and he's very strong on the technology side. And he managed to build a system that able to take all the eBay items we have in our database and compare them to Amazon in a very accurate way. So the item finder to find products, when you go do competitor research, you click on the item finder and then it's find the exact Amazon item or the exact AliExpress item. So this now work perfectly. We added two levels. We have the Amazon box with the green check, which means it's the exact same product, works perfect for UK and US. And we have the Amazon box without the green check, which what he did, he built a technology that brings similar product. So it's not just finding for you the same product, but it helps you be creative and bring similar product to the market. And it's affect the item finder, but it's also affect the autopilot and the bulk scanner, which basically allow you to just take a seller, click on a button, get the list of all the winning products, get it out with CSV and list it to your store, whether you want to do it manually, one by one, bulk, This is your decision. And the autopilot, which is complete automation, you don't even need to find sellers. You just put your criterias from how many sales in the last 30 days to 7 days. So let's say I can say I want product with 7 sales in 7 days. I don't want more than 20 competitors. I want to return on investment of 0.3, 30% return on investment. I want sell to rate 100%. I want success rate 50%. You click the button and you get list of thousands products ready to list. Simple. This is for Amazon. So this is already live. The next features, the next upgrades we plan to do is add a lot of filters, extra filters to the autopilot or to the bulk scanner. So you will be able to filter by Amazon rating, by stars, Amazon rating. You will be able to filter by FBM, FBA, Prime, all this. You will be able to also exclude DVDs or books because sometimes it's coming the result and it's disturbing. So we are planning to add these filters to everything, to all the Zik Pro features. So it's add another element, and to also add keyword filter for the autopilot. So you can not just get the filters by number of sales and competition, etc. You can also write keyword. You could say, you know what, I want the top selling gaming keyboards. I want the top selling dog products. This way you can focus on specific niches. You can scale winning products much easier. So this is in this side. Another thing is, this is another upgrade that come next. It's for the store analytics, okay? A new version of the store analytics. Till now, store analytics was like a gimmick, you know, you can see your statistics and it's cool and everything, but nothing really useful. So what we do now, we're gonna scrape all the ended listings as well. So on store analytics, you're gonna see the exact sales. Then we're gonna also show you diversity pie. So in order for people to focus on the right price ranges, we're gonna show you right now in your store how many listings you have from $10 to $20 based on what you decide, $20 to $40. So you will be able to see, okay, let's say I have 1,000 products between 10 to 20, only 100 products between 20 to 40, and I want to increase my average selling price, so I need to list more expensive products. And also we're going to show the sales, where the sales come from. And then the biggest upgrade of the store analytic will be ranking tracker. So you list a product to eBay. Let's say you list this, you dropship from Amazon to eBay, or you just sell this leather wallet, okay? And you know, okay, I'm ranking now. I have this product on the top of the search result, or I know I have this on the second page on eBay. You will be able to come and say, okay, track this product every day. Show me the ranking, and based on different actions you take, let's say you reduce price, you change title and stuff, you will be able to see you improving in the ranking, you go down in the ranking, and let's say you have one winning product that's selling all the time, suddenly it's drop in ranking, you will immediately be able to see, to get notification, and then go to see maybe competitor change price and stuff like this. So this is big upgrade as well. And then the other upgrades we're going to do are basically is developing an Amazon tool, developing Zik for Amazon.
Awesome. Zik for Amazon. This means that in future we will be able to use Zik Analytics to research the items for Amazon dropshipping, or? Amazon
dropshipping, Amazon FBA, everything.
Awesome. We have a lot of clients that we manage their stores in Amazon currently. It's a little bit more hard. You need much more money to start this business. The first requirement is our client to have at least $10,000 in his pocket to start dropshipping Amazon, because eBay sent money much more often and much more fast.
You need cash flow,
Yeah, you need to cover at least 15 days from first sale, and if you made average $300 or $400 sales per day, you must have a little bit more than $7,000-8,000 just to have ability to sell without any problems.
How do you find products today?
How we find products in Amazon for dropshipping?
Yes, you follow other dropshippers and you just copy their item?
This is the best way. You just find someone that sells items from Walmart, and when you see that this guy sells items from Walmart, you can use manually research everything. But in most cases, we use Keepa and Helium 10 for the research about the rankings, about the sales, about the statistics.
So you find the seller and then you check inside the Helium 10 just to see the stats.
Yes.
But and it's not matching for you the Walmart. You need to manually find the Walmart products.
Yes, we manually search this, and we already have a list with a lot of items that are sales very good in Amazon. Also, we use Sam's Club as a supplier, and Sam's Club is restricted for most of the countries. So when you have ability to buy from Walmart and Sam's Club, this is very good because the competition is much lower than to dropship from Amazon to Amazon. In the past, I was creating listings, my own listings. I didn't attach my items to other listings, but this made a lot of problems with Amazon. So we moved from this model to list new items. We just moved to the new model that is only to attach our products and to try to win the buy box.
So tell me, if you had a competitor research tool, like in Zik Analytics, let's say that you take the Amazon store, you put the Amazon store, you click the search, you get the list, and you can see the top selling products of these sellers, and then the items on Walmart.
Especially if I have the option to put the formula there and to say, show me only the items that has at least 30% difference between the Amazon and the Walmart price.
The price, yeah.
This is the most hard because it takes tons of time to compare item by item and to calculate is everything okay. When I speak with my team, they said that to find one item, it takes them 2-3 hours. So if we have software, this will improve a lot of time, and maybe I will be the first customer here also.
Vitan, we're gonna make it.
Before you start doing the options, new options, you just can speak with my manager in India. He will explain you exactly how they search.
Yes, this is a good point. I want to interview him here to help me work on it for sure.
Of course. When you are free, I will connect you via Skype and you can speak with him. Thank you very much that you answer of all my questions. If someone wants to learn more about the course and about the software, I will put the first 2 links in the description of this video. Nahar, is it possible if someone have questions to you and leave them below the videos to reply?
Absolutely, leave the questions below and I will be very happy to reply on your questions. Very happy.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and see you again.
Thank you, Vitan. Always great meeting you. Always great talking to your amazing audience. Have a nice day. Ciao.
Bye-bye.